नमस्ते। आज का सेशन एक मैराथन रिव्यू सेशन है। 75 क्वेश्चंस पिछले एक साल के इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस टॉपिक्स पर, जो कि आने वाले बीपीएससी और यूपीएससी एग्जामिनेशन के सीरियस एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए काफ़ी यूज़फुल होंगे। इन 75 क्वेश्चंस का पर्सपेक्टिव केवल आपको एक रिव्यू देने का है। क्वेश्चन अपने आप में एग्जॉस्टिव नहीं है, लेकिन इन क्वेश्चंस के जो टॉपिक्स हैं वो एक बहुत ही वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स को और पॉलिटिकल डोमेन्स को कवर करते हैं। पहला सेक्शन इंडिया और पाकिस्तान रिलेशंस के बारे में है, पर्टिकुलरली ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में। वाई इज़ दिस इम्पॉर्टेंट? बिकॉज इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का एक्टिव कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विद एन इंटरनेशनल government on an international stage happened with Operation Sindhu, because a lot of the army exercises, the armed forces interventions, were conducted on territory of Pakistan and Pakistan occupied Kashmir. So let's talk about Operation Sindoor and the India-Pakistan relations. Questions 1 through 8 will cover these questions, will cover these topics. Pahalgam terror attack that triggered Operation Sindoor occurred on 22nd April 2025. 26 Indian civilians lost their lives. Operation Sindoor was launched on the night of 6th and 7th May 2025. How many terrorist infrastructure sites were targeted in initial strikes of Operation Sindoor? The answer is 9. Most of them were located in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, some of them being in the actual territory of Pakistan. Which two terror groups' infrastructure was primarily targeted in Operation Sindoor? The answer to this is Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. The India-Pakistan ceasefire after Operation Sindoor took effect from 1700 hours शाम के 5 बजे as agreed by the two DGMOs on 10th May 2025. So as you can see, 6th से 7th May को इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने रैपिड मिलिट्री प्रिसिजन स्ट्राइक्स किए इन पीओके एंड इन पाकिस्तानी टेरिटरी, एंड ऑन 10th a ceasefire was signed between the Indian and the Pakistani DGMOs. Which treaty did India place in abeyance as part of its response to the Pahalgam attack? The answer to that is the Indus Waters Treaty. In fact, कुछ टाइम के लिए पानी रोक दिया गया था. The glaciers from which Indus originates is in India, and the major flow, and in fact a majority of the population of Pakistan directly depends upon the Indus water for sustenance and general livelihood, and that water treaty was actually suspended. The two women officers who led the official media briefings on Operation Sindoor were Colonel Sophia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh. याद दिलाना चाहेंगे कि जब ये दो भारतीय सेना के अफसर एक्चुअल कम्युनिकेशन दे रहे थे न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे, अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रोलिंग वाज हैपनिंग ऑन द इंटरनेट. वन primarily to do with their gender, that women were chosen to be spokespeople, which was very progressive of the Indian government to do. However, the Indian citizenry, particularly on the internet, did not take to it kindly. Also, the religion of Colonel Sophia Qureshi was considered an impediment by a lot of the citizenry online. So, sociological insight. Pakistan's code name for its retaliatory operation during May 2025 conflict was called Mark-e-Haq, Operation Banyayum Marsus, also called Marka-e-Haq, right? So these are the important questions. This marks the end of the first section of IR review.